would like to invite our Honorable Principal Sir to pay floral tribute to Swami Vivekananda Ji and MP Mishra Sir to coordinate for the same.
Junior head boy head girl.
Junior head boy and head girl.
सर फूल चढ़ा दीजिए सर पे
Om Bhadram Karne Vijayam Deva Bhadram Bhadev Jayam Dhairam Gaidam Rajam Sakaro Vidyashemai Devai Tam Yadayu Shatamindha Sharado Amdi Devaya Pran Sagrahadar Shandaro Namma Pudrasho Yadavidaro Varmadhakitaya Pudraha Vishmi Deva Adati Pankajala Adati Jata Madhvamma Om Yo Shantirandar Jagam Shantirapa Shantiro Shataya Shanti Vanaspataya Shanti Vishme Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Savargam Shanti Shama Shanti Om Yato Yata Shami Hare Tato No Avayan Karishanna Purvapeva Sudhya Om Vihileshwaraya Varidaya Surya Priyaya Lambodharaya Sakalaya Jagathitaya Nagananaya Satyagni Vibhushitaya Gaureshutaya Gananath Namo Namaste Om Ganganapate Namo Namah Om Mahapurushavyam Swami Vivekanandaya Namo Namah Om Rajoshe Janmani Shabdurittaye Isitau Prajanam Pralaye Tamasmrishe Ajaya Sharga Shetave Traimayayam Trigunaatmane Namah Traimayayam Trigunaatmane Namah Bole Bharat Mata Ki Bole Bharat Mata Ki बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
Thank you, sir. Difficult situations to face. When I asked God for some happiness, He showed me some unhappy people. When I asked God for wealth, He showed me how to work hard. When I asked God for peace, He showed me how to help others. God gave me nothing I wanted. He gave me everything I needed. A very hearty good morning to one and all present here. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the National Youth Day, which commemorates the birthday of the great youth icon of our country, Swami Vivekananda Ji. We, the students of class 2A, are here to present our morning assembly to mark this happy occasion. Swami Vivekananda believed that there is no religion in the world that is above than humanity. But Swamiji is our inspiration. Remembering the great saint on his birth anniversary, let us know more about him by Arnav Tiwari. Good morning, I am Arnav Tiwari, going to speak few lines on the great saint Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was an inspiring and a very famous Indian personality across the globe. His original name was Narendranath Datta. He was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. He was influenced by his Guru Ram Krishna Paramhans. Swamiji was a spiritual leader and a social reformer. He was a great thinker, great orator, and passionate patriot. He introduced Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He brought Hinduism to the status of a major world religion. During the late 19th century, his mission was to encourage the youth to follow tradition and lead the country responsibly. He is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Mutt in Kolkata, which are still working towards helping the needy. To honor his contribution, his birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day. In the end, I would like to conclude my speech by his famous saying, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Best wishes on National Youth Day to the young brains and minds of our country. Thank you and have a nice day. Beggars near his house, crying for alms. The wretched family was shivering in the cold. He immediately took off the new birthday attire and gave it to them. Although as a child he was naughty and restless like other kids, his heart always cried out in pain for the needy and distressed. Now our friends are going to present a beautiful inspirational song dedicated to the youth. his childhood, he was always fascinated by meditation. He used to sit hours in the yogic pose without studying. This boy grew up to be a great thinker and teacher through his various words and actions. He explained the need for education in the country and how it could help us by all social evils. And now our friend will present a wonderful dance and will tell us about the power of knowledge and how it could erase every bit of darkness from our minds.
ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है।
शिक्षा भोजन स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन।
वो जो शिक्षा पावे वही आगे तुमको सदा आगे ही आगे जाना ये शपथ लो। काम कोई अच्छा है करके दिखाना ये शपथ लो।
विद्या जो पाएंगे हम कुछ कर दिखाएंगे हम। पढ़ लिख के जो काज करेंगे सबके मन में राज करेंगे राज करेंगे राज करेंगे। समझो जरा
These lovely performances based on valuable teaching of Swami Vivekananda. Our country shall remain proud of this young monk whose simplicity, kindness and intelligence made one and all. Let us follow in the footsteps of this patriot saint of modern India and spread the message of peace, tolerance and universal brotherhood among all. Now I would like to invite our beloved principal sir on stage to
धन्यवाद आदरणीय सुमन मैम। आज एक ऐसे आध्यात्मिक महापुरुष की जयंती है जिन्होंने अपने देश का नाम विश्व पटल पर रखा। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में पूरा देश आज युवा दिवस के रूप में मना रहा है। हर जिला मुख्यालयों सहित हर विद्यालयों में युवा दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में सूर्य नमस्कार एवं योगासन जैसी कुछ गतिविधियों का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। इसी कड़ी में हमारे विद्यालय डीपीएस निगाही में भी विद्यालय के मुखिया परम सम्माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय के निर्देशन में युवा दिवस मनाया जा रहा है। इसी कड़ी में आज हम सब सूर्य नमस्कार करेंगे। मैं प्राचार्य महोदय से अनुरोध करूंगा, कृपया सूर्य नमस्कार के लिए मंच पर आने का कष्ट करेंगे। और साथ ही साथ मैं आवाज देना चाहूंगा अपने विद्यालय के शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं जो सूर्य नमस्कार में सम्मिलित होना चाहते हैं, और साथ ही साथ अभिभावक गणों को भी, कि जो भी अभिभावक गण सूर्य नमस्कार में सम्मिलित होना चाहते हैं, कृपया वे मंच पर आने का कष्ट करेंगे। अभिभावक गण, और सूर्य नमस्कार के लिए अपने विद्यालय की खेल शिक्षिका आशु कौर मैम को मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा कि वे आए और आगे के संचालन की प्रक्रिया पूर्ण करें। आशु मैम।
These lovely performances based on valuable teaching of Swami Vivekananda. Our country shall remain proud of this young monk whose simplicity, kindness, and intelligence made one and all. Let us follow in the footsteps of this patriot saint of modern India and spread the message of peace, tolerance, and universal brotherhood among all. Now I would like to invite our beloved principal sir on stage to
धन्यवाद आदरणीय सुमन मैम। आज एक ऐसे आध्यात्मिक महापुरुष की जयंती है जिन्होंने अपने देश का नाम विश्व पटल पर रखा। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में पूरा देश आज युवा दिवस के रूप में मना रहा है। हर जिला मुख्यालयों सहित हर विद्यालयों में युवा दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में सूर्य नमस्कार एवं योगासन जैसी कुछ गतिविधियों का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। इसी कड़ी में हमारे विद्यालय डीपीएस निगाही में भी विद्यालय के मुखिया परम सम्माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय के निर्देशन में युवा दिवस मनाया जा रहा है। इसी कड़ी में आज हम सब सूर्य नमस्कार करेंगे। मैं प्राचार्य महोदय से अनुरोध करूंगा, कृपया सूर्य नमस्कार के लिए मंच पर आने का कष्ट करेंगे। और साथ ही साथ मैं आवाज देना चाहूंगा अपने विद्यालय के शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं जो सूर्य नमस्कार में सम्मिलित होना चाहते हैं, और साथ ही साथ अभिभावक गणों को भी, कि जो भी अभिभावक गण सूर्य नमस्कार में सम्मिलित होना चाहते हैं, कृपया वे मंच पर आने का कष्ट करेंगे। अभिभावक गण, और सूर्य नमस्कार के लिए अपने विद्यालय की खेल शिक्षिका आशु कौर मैम को मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा कि वे आए और आगे के संचालन की प्रक्रिया पूर्ण करें। आशु मैम।
Start children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Normal position. Now back to the normal position. All children, if you are willing to repeat it one more time, children say yes or no. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we are going to start few standing position asanas. It is very easy and we can do. Okay? So all of you just do it. Okay, children? Okay, everyone? Okay. First asana is Tar Asana. Tar Asana. Lock your fingers. First asana is Tar Asana. Lock your fingers. Lock your fingers. Raise it up. Stand on the toes. Stand on the toes. Hold the position. Hold it. Now, let your toes back in the normal position. One more time. Lock your finger. Raise it slowly. Raise it up. Stand on the toes. Raise your knee. Stretch your arm. Hold it. Flex your feet. Now slowly to the back position. Children, we are going to now set next asana is Ardha Chakra Asana. Half lateral pose. Ardha Chakra Asana. Slowly raise your hand up. Stretch it back. Slowly stretch it back. Up. Back. One more time. Raise your hand. Stretch it back. Up. Back. Now third asana is Vriksh Asana. 3 more. Okay? Just keep your right feet on the left thigh. Right feet on the left thigh. Join your palms up. Raise your hand, join your palms. Hold it. Hold it. Yes, relax children, back to the normal position. Yes, children, one more time. Now, alternative, okay? Keep your left feet on the right thigh. Keep your left feet on the right thigh. Join your palms up. Put it up. Hold it. Now relax. Yes. Now the fourth asana is Padhasta Asana. Padhasta Asana is forward bending asana. Okay? Raise your hand up. Touch your toes. Lock the knees. Up. Raise your hand up now. Relax. Repeat it one more time, children. Raise your hand up. Lock your knees and touch your toes. Up. Relax. Now the last asana is Trikonasana. Trikonasana, triangular pose. Okay? Keep your legs and hands apart. Touch your right feet with your left toe, left hand. Touch your right toe with the left hand. Yes. Look towards to your palm. Look towards to your palm. Up. Relax. Yes, children. One more time. Yes. Separate your hands and legs. Touch your left leg with your right hand. Lock your knees. Face towards palm. Separate. Get up. Relax. Children, you enjoyed it? Thank you.
respected parents, teachers, lovely children. All of you are energized? Okay. We witnessed assembly and we heard thoughts, ideas, speeches of one great soul who lived in India and made us all proud. Swami Vivekananda ji was one of the most well-read person. And he inspired the youth. And even today, his birthday is being celebrated as International Youth Day. We heard few of his quotes. One of the famous quote is written on the screen, and that is, "Arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is reached." So for this, you have to set your goals first. What do you want? You need to reflect. We are all blessed to have this human form. We have been blessed with this birth of human being. And you need to think. God has given us the mind to think. A better mind than all other creatures so far. Other animals, maybe they are better than us as far as the physical strength is concerned. Elephant is very big. It's bigger than us. We cannot compete our strength with animals like so many. Horses can run faster than human beings. Fishes can swim better than human beings. But then God gave us mind. With mind, we are able to travel faster than the birds. We are able to fly faster. We are able to swim better than so many other creatures living in the ocean. How has it been possible? It has been possible with that of our mind. So when we have the mind, Swami Vivekananda says, fire which warms us can also consume us. Try to know the difference. The warmth is very good. हमें अग्नि की गर्माश बहुत अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन साथ ही हमें यह भी याद रखना होगा कि अग्नि हमें भस्म भी कर देती है. तो अग्नि का प्रयोग कैसे करना है? You have to make your choices. The power of choice is there with us. हम क्या चुनते हैं जीवन में, वो माने रखता है. So as we always tell you, utilize this power of choice. And how to utilize it? God has given us intellect. God has given us conscience. हमें परमात्मा ने विवेक दिया है, बुद्धि दी है, और इस विवेक और बुद्धि के साथ हमें सही और गलत में फर्क करना हमें सबको आता है, लेकिन हम कई बार गलत चुन लेते हैं. तो गलत और सही आपको आपकी बुद्धि और विवेक जरूर बताएगा. अपने विवेक को हमेशा जागृत रखिए, उससे बातें करिए, अपने आप से. यू नो, योर इनर वॉइस आपसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोलेगी. आप कभी भी उससे कुछ पूछ के देखिए. अगर आपका मम्मी से झगड़ा हो गया किसी बात पे, मम्मी ने आपको खाना नहीं दिया, नाश्ता अच्छा वाला नहीं दिया, आपका झगड़ा हो गया, आपने मम्मी से ऊंची आवाज में बात कर ली है, मम्मी भी गुस्सा है, आप भी गुस्से में है, तो पूरा दिन आपका खराब निकलेगा. आप अपने विवेक से पूछेंगे, अपने आप से पूछेंगे, तो आपका विवेक आपको बताएगा कि आपने मम्मी से ऊंची आवाज में बात की थी, जाओ मम्मी को सॉरी बोल दो. आप सॉरी बोल के देखना, सब ठीक हो जाता है ना. लेकिन हमें कभी कभी सॉरी बोलने के से कौन रोकता है? हमारा अहम रोकता है. और ईगो कम्स इन. तो ईगो को दूर करो और अपने विवेक की सुनो. विवेक को कभी मारना मत. So this is what we need to learn on this auspicious day of Swami Vivekananda ji. Very soon, on 22nd of January, a great event is going to take place in Ayodhya. Okay, keeping that in mind, at local levels also, celebrations are being planned out. In Nigai also, in the Mandir complex, lot many things are going to be planned out. Those of you who are interested to be part of them, you can meet your teachers. They will guide you for Rangoli decoration in Ram Mandir campus of Nigai. Those of you who are good in Rangoli, please contact Mithilesh Rana sir and Shivaji. They will guide you. झांकी में कोई पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहता है तो दिव्या मैम से मिलो, और कुछ डांसेस भी प्लान कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए नीलू मैम से मिलना होगा. So wishing you all the best for all these things. So stay inspired and always take care of your health and mind. Thank you.